So my name is Beulah, and I participated in the 7-day Excel bootcamp, the Z to D, Zero to Dashboard bootcamp. It was really a lighting time for me. So during the 7-day bootcamp, it was such a great experience for me. Before the training, Excel was just a whole world that I knew nothing about, or I just know how to launch Excel, and I know the rows, different between row and columns, and then that the alphabets represent columns and the numbers represent the rows. So, but this class really boosted my confidence in my proficiency in Excel. So, making me confident enough to know that I can actually work with data, um knowing what things in the data mean, creating a table, then from there creating a private table and drawing out information from the data, then analyzing it by creating dashboard. And then from the first day to last, my confidence kept growing on what I can do. Yeah, like I said, I used to feel nervous before in using Excel to work on data, but I actually enjoy working on it now, having gone through the class, and I feel the high level goal program will be a lot to learn from it. So one of the things you
Okay.
asked is my biggest aha moment. So
Hmm.
it was when I was learning how to turn plain numbers into clean and interactive dashboards.
Hmm.
I figured out that um, in creating I've just seen maybe some data analysts around or some of my uncles and aunties using Excel to create. I'm like, when I just pass through and I see their screen with a lot of charts, this here, this there, and I feel like there was a lot of maybe Python or programming that had gone into it, not knowing something actually very simple. The way you thought it made us made us feel confident about using it and made us understand it in a very simple way. The videos and I feel your teaching skills came. I know I had you talking about how that you were a teacher before, so your teaching skills really was improved in that place. So you really know how to teach, sir. You made it very interactive, not explaining in depth too, and explaining where actually really matters for us. So I really enjoyed um that about you. And then the video editing was awesome. The interaction of how the zoom in, zoom out, your picture at one side, using your video editing made it so interactive. I never slept off on any class, any of the session I listened to. So it really boosted my confidence in Excel. So I think that's where I'll just stop for now. I want to thank Kickstart Digital for this opportunity. And thank you, sir.
All right.